Yay, my Elite Gourmet electric double burner just came, and let's open it up and take a look. This is going to be perfect for when you just need some extra heating elements. Say you have a party or a buffet. So this is going to come in really handy. This would also be great for camping if you have an RV or if you're in a dorm. And it looks so nice. Now this has a double burner and one side is larger than the other. So this is what the double burner looks like, and it also comes with an instruction manual as well to teach you how to use it before use and how to clean it afterwards. It comes with about a 26-inch cord, and we're gonna plug this in. And it has 2 hot plates, and the hot plates measure 5 inches as well as 6.5 inches. There's also 2 lights here to show when the unit is on, as well as adjustable dials. Let's turn it on and test it out. This is very portable and lightweight. This measures 9 inches by 3 inches and 16.5 inches in length. So perfect for a countertop. This is supposed to be very easy to clean, and it also has non-skid feet. Since this unit can get hot, they recommend not to put it directly on wood. So I'm gonna go put it on a cutting board right now. Now that we have it plugged in, let's turn it on. It has an adjustable dial from 1 through 6. Let's try the other side as well. I already feel it starting to heat up. Wow, that is so cool. Okay, so now let's test it out. Let's make some popcorn. This double burner really is working nicely. Looks like it's done. Now let's try it. Yay, the popcorn's done. So let's pour it in our bowl and let's try a bite. See how perfect that came out? I definitely recommend this product. This is gonna work perfectly. So thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.